same day shooting. So yeah, so the previous two sessions we've had taught you about a magic ring and single crochet, how to do that. And this one we're going to be teaching you how to do double crochet and a double half crochet. So we'll teach you both of them. It's not much of a difference except that last step, they're basically the same, but a lot of it is used in making products which are a little bit more, you need quicker finish, or things like blankets and cushions. We use a lot of these stitches instead of using the single crochet, because single crochet is slow going. So it's very good if you want to make, single crochet is very good if you want to make toys, or if you want to make things which require close knit, or things which don't want it to be so porous. So then you have single crochet, and you want it to be amigurumi products are made out of single crochet. But if you want to do double crochet and double half crochet, then there's a little more widespread. We can also teach you the other stitches, there is a triple crochet and quadruple crochet. But then the point is that we'll teach you as and when we need it. You don't need to learn it now. So as and when you need it, we'll teach it to you. So we'll start again with the magic ring, as usually everything starts here. So magic ring, X under right arm, pull left arm through, okay, then through. This is your magic ring, closed. Sorry about that. Copper water. It's supposed to be good for health. Anyways. So this, and then it's the magic ring that we've closed here. Then we do 2 loops, 1 and 2. So this becomes your first double crochet. Okay, 3 chains, 3 loop chains actually. Then what you do is, to make your double crochet, yarn on top of the hook, yarn over the hook, through the magic ring, pull yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your crochet hook, 3 loops, okay, pull yarn through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your crochet hook, pull yarn through 2, 1 loop, okay. This is your double crochet. So we'll do it again. Yarn over hook, hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops on crochet hook, pull through 2. Now pull yarn again through 2, okay. Again we'll do, so that you have an idea. Yarn over crochet hook, put yarn through magic ring, put crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn through magic ring, 3 loops, pull through 2, then pull through 2, okay. Alright, I'll show you again. Magic ring, okay. This is the first one that we're taking. This counting is the first stitch, okay. 1, 2, 3, 3 chain, yarn over crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops on crochet hook, pull yarn through 2 loops on crochet hook, pull yarn through 2, 1 loop on crochet hook, okay. Again, yarn over crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops on crochet hook, pull through 2, then 2 loops on crochet hook, pull through 2, 1 loop on crochet hook. Again, yarn over crochet hook, put crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops on crochet hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1, okay. Got it? Shall we do it again one more time, just to get you an idea, Magic ring, okay, 3 chain, 1 we've already done, second, third, putting yarn, then yarn over crochet hook, crochet hook through magic needle, pull yarn, 3 loops, pull yarn through 2 loops in your hook, pull yarn through 2. Again, yarn over crochet hook through magic needle or a magic ring. Then you have yarn through 3 loops, pull yarn through 2, pull yarn through 2. Got it? This is how. If you want to watch it again, you can always pause and go back and see it again. That option is always available to you. And we're going to teach you right now. We're going to also teach you how to do double half crochet so that you have an idea of what you have to do for it. Okay. So this is your magic needle. It's pretty much the same, but the last step is different. So instead of pulling it through 2 at one time, we put through all 3 at once. Pull the yarn through all 3 at once. So not through 2 and then 2. Instead of doing it that, you do all 3 at once. So magic needle or a magic ring, sorry. Then you pull through 1, 2 and 3. We do this 3 because otherwise you can't get the distance from the magic ring that you'd want to create double crochet. Okay, so again, yarn over hook, pull yarn through magic ring, pull yarn through all 3 hoops on your needle. Okay, got it? There's a difference between these 3. Again, yarn over crochet hook, put hook through magic ring, pull yarn through magic ring, 3 loops on your crochet hook, pull yarn through all 3 at once. Again, yarn over crochet hook in magic ring, yarn through magic ring, 3 loops in crochet hook, pull through 3. Okay. So yarn over crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops on crochet hook and pull through 3. So this is basically your double half crochet. Okay. Again, we'll show it to you again one more time so that you get an idea about how double half crochet is different from double crochet. Although basically it's just the last step which is different. So magic ring, three chains, then yarn on crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops on yarn hook, crochet hook, pull through all 3, yarn on crochet hook, put crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops, pull yarn through all 3 loops, yarn on crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops, yarn through 3 loops at once. Okay, like this. Okay, so yarn on top of crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops, pull yarn through all 3 at once. Again, yarn on crochet hook through magic ring, pull yarn, 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, pull yarn through all 3 at once. Okay, all right. So this is basically the double half crochet and the double crochet. In the previous sessions, we've taught you how to make a magic ring and how to do single crochet. And now today we've taught you double half crochet and double crochet. And I hope you got the hang of it. Of course, you can drop any comment, ask us anything you want to ask us, and let us know if you like the videos and the content and anything you want to be changed, even the presentation style for that matter. Although probably some of it is very subconscious. So yeah, so you can put any comment that you want to put there, and then tell us what you want us to show to you, what content and what products you want to make at home. We can teach you bigger products, but we are going to be restricting it as of now to smaller products and easy wins. So those, and please in the meantime, please subscribe to us and drop us a like, and let us know that you appreciate the effort we're putting in creating this content. And thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching and motivating us. Thank you.